Good morning, students. I know you all are really missing our school. Yes or no? But not to worry. Through this media, we all meeting and enjoying our studies. As you all know, that children like to go to school because school is a place where you can learn, enjoy, and most important that you get more and more time to be with your friends. So today we are going to learn very beautiful poem, that is children are going to school. In this poem, the poet describes beautiful early morning when children are going to school. So we will read the poem first. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect. For children are going to school. The sun after his morning, deep in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Through the green topped branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush, deep foliage waves his hands. Angels of light have set out, every road is agleam. At this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky. For children are going to school. Now I'll explain the poem, okay? See the first stanza. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect, for the children are going to school. Students, as you know, many schools timing are in morning, so the morning light spreads over the earth. The poet says again, it's morning now. Morning brings positivity and light spreads over the earth. It means the night has gone, the day has taken over, the new day with a positive waves, and the sky welcomes the sun. Next, the sun, after his morning, deep in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. As we know, students, after the sunset, we have the sunrise. Here, the poet is just imagined that the sun is dipped in the river. It means after the night, the day has taken over and dressed up in a golden muslin. Here, muslin means a kind of soft cotton fabric. Students, we have the sunrise and sunset. As we know, the sky is in orange or reddish color or slight yellow color. The sun is rising up with nice, beautiful light, but for children are going to school. Here the poet says the golden color of the sun is compared to the golden turban. Through the green topped branches, breezes sings their songs of blessings. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hand, for children are going to school. Now here, students, the environment is so happy to see the children going to school. The breezes sing their songs of blessings. Now, children, in the morning we have the cold breeze. You can see the branches of the trees are nicely moving. It means the environment is so happy to see the children are going to school. We know daytime we all are awake. Night time we are sleeping. Here the fragrant flower is said to be as awaking the sleepy road because it was night yesterday and today is a new day. The people in his lush deep foliage waves his hands. Here, as we know, the people tree is a tree has a great canopy waving in the bed. So waves his hands describes us waving hands for greeting the children who are going to school. Angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam. At this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. Here the angels of light has set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. It means angels of light that are shine at sky. So the angel that is the messenger of God. Okay, angel means messenger of God. They have come up and lighten up the road through which the children are going to school. At this hour, every particle of the earth shining like a mother's heart. A mother's heart is compelled, uh, because the mother's heart is pure, full of love. So here the sun, the sky are filled with love and affection. Time sitting on an old roof, flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. It means, as we know, before education was not that easy. So here the time is sitting out on an old roof. Flies pigeon in the sky means, as we know, as a good luck or as a good charm, we release white pigeons in the sky. So luck always by side when we start any new work. Same thing is here. The sky is described as white pigeon, that is the children are going to school. So let's see the summary of this poem. The poet loves nature so as he loves the children who seek education and go to school. So he beautifully describes the morning nature as the children go to school in the early morning. Third one, the sun rises and the sky rejoices. The poet compares all the non-living things to human qualities such as the sky bows head in respect. Basically, he is happy that the future of our nation, our children are going to gain the light of education, and the nature too is celebrating it. But students, do you know the original poem actually is written in the Urdu and is translated in English. So let's see the original poem. हुआ सवेरा ज़मीन पर, फिर अदब से आकाश अपने सर को झुका रहा है कि बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं। नदी में स्नान करके सूरज सुनहरी मलमल सी पगड़ी बांधे सड़क किनारे खड़ा हुआ मुस्कुरा रहा है कि बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं। हवाएं इंसान सब झलियों में दुआओं के गीत गा रहे हैं। महकते फूलों की लोरियां सोते हुए रास्तों को जगा रही है। घनेरा पीपल गली के कोने से हाथ अपना हिला रहा है कि बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं। फरिश्ते निकले हैं रोशनी के, हर एक रास्ता चमक रहा है। ये वक्त वो है ज़मीन का, हर ज़र्रा माँ के दिल से धड़क रहा है कि बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं। पुरानी एक छत पे वक्त बैठा है, कबूतरों को उड़ा रहा है कि बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं, कि बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं। Thank you very much.